Namaskar. Hello. Today I shall throw some light on a very interesting subject, Abhinaya Yog. I'm sure the name itself shall create some kind of curiosity or some kind of wonder in you that how Abhinaya and Yog can be combined. But yes, there is a possibility. Abhinaya, which in an ordinary sense means acting, and Yog, we are aware of the principles of Yog. So if we combine the two words, we have a new system, a new approach. And this new system is meant for the self-development of an individual. Yoga has a vast history in India. We are aware of different forms of yoga, and all yogic systems, all yogic philosophies, they have one basic aim, one basic expectation, that an individual who is at a very particular stage moves on towards a higher stage, a better stage, or a divine stage. Through yogic techniques, one gets acquainted with the self within. And this self within is the bundle of true happiness. As man is in search of happiness, as man is in search of permanent happiness, he tries to find this happiness through various ways, various methods. Art is one such method. All fine arts, you take painting, music, dance, sculpture, and poetry, all literature. And in poetry and literature comes the subject Abhinaya or acting. All these systems of fine arts, they had one major aim: to heal the wounded mind. If we go into the history of all arts, the effort was always to arouse the noble sentiments within a human being. Whether it is a picture, or whether it is a poem, or whether it is a song, or whether it is a dance, human life always was mechanical life, a monotonous life. This monotony, this drudgery of normal human existence, man wanted to move above it, so he found arts. Today, Abhinaya or acting has reached a particular stage where it has created great attraction for youngsters. But acting as such, if you talk of acting skills only, acting as such is confined only to entertainment, whether it is theatre or television or films. An actor with the skills of his acting, in which he uses his body, his voice, his understanding of emotions, and then portrays it through a character written by a scriptwriter. And there the aim is only entertainment. But here, through Abhinaya Yog, what our purpose is, we are trying to channelize this skill of acting with few yogic techniques and try to heal the wounded mind.